What's good, y'all? It's your boy JRE. Just wanted to say I do most of my reactions on Twitch live stream live so I can get to interact with y'all. Now I know not all of you can join the Twitch live stream because on time zone. I do go on Twitch at around 6 p.m. PST mostly every day, and I will upload here and there some of the Twitch live reactions on YouTube. But if you do have time and you're able to visit my Twitch live streams when I'm live, be sure to say hi. And just a reminder to follow the Twitch and join the Discord for any notifications of what I'm doing, because YouTube notifications ain't it at the moment. So follow the Discord, link in the description down below, and hope you guys enjoy this reaction. Peace. How you guys doing today? It's time for some old school KARD vibes? No way! Anyways, KARD, it's trending. 23, nice. It's called Ring the Alarm. I haven't heard KARD, or I even heard from BM for in a while. So let's get this started. KARD, Ring the Alarm, MV. Let's get it, let's go. English. What's Jamake? What the hell is Jamake? Did I read that right? It says Jamake? Jamaica? What is Jamaica? Ooh. 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 Oh, she looks so pretty. She always do though. Oh. Oh, he got the crop top. Okay. Wow, I forgot how big BM is. Ooh. Okay. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Well, damn. Hold up. You know what's good? It's in like a perfect time. Like this type of sound for summer, it's just gonna be fire. Ooh, he got no chill. He gave me like on. Okay, I should have not looked at the chat. Let's come back. What did you want? What you need? I'll deliver. Hey. Ooh, oh! Hey. I like the little short hair on him though too. He just came back from the army, no? Is he? Ooh, oh. Oh, he look good. Let's go. Ooh. I like how they're. That's kind of cool. Their pupils are like the same. Like, I mean, the sign of the cards. Oh, the dance is very like just like hey, like right here. I like how BM just like. That's so cute, actually. It's very feminine. There it is. That's the word, feminine. Ooh. Come around. Moving. How'd you know I was moving my body? Hey, 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 hey. I will. Ooh. Ooh. Interesting. I mean, They're keeping the same sound per use, you know, but it just sounds more refreshing because it's been a while since I heard this. Hey, and it's so fun too. Hey, hey, hey. It's the smile. It's the smiles. The smile drives like drove me in. Them jean shorts are super cute. Oh, you better slay. I love her hair too. Ooh.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
Hey, you better subscribe.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an ex, so that joint is old school. I'm in it like swimwear.